As part of the Geisinger healthcare system, in-house contracting team Workplace Design and Delivery provides over $200 million a year in capital improvements to company-owned healthcare facilities across the country. A widely distributed workforce and the demands of hospital construction created complexity throughout the life cycle of every project. Executives knew that their outdated estimating process was badly in need of an upgrade and looked for a solution that would integrate seamlessly with Procore, their online construction management software. Only ProEst checked all the boxes, offering the power and convenience Geisinger estimators were looking for, along with 24/7 online user access, which supported their collaborative work style. ProEst's intuitive interface was a major success factor for Geisinger too, helping users work more efficiently right away and vastly improving the company's time-cost ratio. Since the addition of ProEst in 2013, the average hit rate of submitted estimates increased by 8%, and revenue has gone up even more. In fact, with ProEst as a technology partner, the company is projected to grow exponentially in the next 5 years, potentially reaching as much as $300 million in annual revenue by 2024.